The idea of a compact smartphone from nothing has been circulating for a while, and now, for the first time, there's a real sense that it might actually happen. In a recent update, Raymond, product manager at Nothing, offered some crucial insight into the company's internal discussions about launching a smaller device, unofficially dubbed the Nothing Phone Mini. During a Q&A video, Raymond revealed that even Carl Pei, the company's co-founder, had questioned whether a smaller phone should be next in line. Raymond explained that the core challenge lies in perception and engineering. Smaller phones are often seen as offering less value, even though their production costs, especially for components like screens and build materials, aren't much lower. Squeezing flagship-level performance and features into a compact body is technically more demanding. Still, he left the door open, saying if the Phone 3 performs well, he's fully on board with turning the next flagship into a more compact form factor. Nothing has already proven its willingness to listen to its community. From the introduction of the Glyph interface to the aggressively positioned pricing of the Nothing Phone 2A, the brand has consistently built devices that reflect genuine user demand rather than just following market trends. As a result, Raymond's statements feel less like marketing fluff and more like an honest glimpse into future possibilities. The demand for small phones has quietly but steadily been making a comeback. Apple's iPhone SE series continues to attract users who prioritize portability, and even some Android manufacturers have started re-exploring the compact phone segment. A compact Nothing phone, retaining all the company's signature features like Glyph lights, the minimalist aesthetic, and the streamlined Nothing OS, could very well fill that growing gap in the market. Compact smartphones have always appealed to users who value convenience, comfort, and one-handed usability without sacrificing power, camera quality, or battery life. These users aren't asking for less. They're asking for smarter form factors. If Nothing can deliver a truly compact phone with a strong processor, solid battery performance, and its trademark design flair, it could redefine what people expect from a mini device. Raymond's openness about the internal challenges and user-centric philosophy suggests that the company is not just entertaining the idea, but carefully studying its feasibility. And given Nothing's track record of turning community feedback into real products, the odds don't seem far-fetched. While there's no official confirmation or launch date just yet, the fact that Nothing's leadership is seriously entertaining, the concept is promising. If the Phone 3 sees strong market reception, we may get an announcement sooner than expected. Pricing would likely be positioned just below the flagship tier, perhaps around $399 to $499, if Nothing wants to appeal to budget-conscious users without compromising on premium build and features. As for the release window, if development follows post-Phone 3 success, we might expect an early to mid-2026 debut. Until then, fans of compact phones finally have a reason to stay hopeful.